One of the most annoying issues of Porsche's water-cooled era is the fact that the front bumper openings are now a magnet for leaves, rocks, dirt, and other road debris. This can lead to expensive damage to components like the radiators, the AC condensers, and on some turbo models, the intercoolers. I'm Damien from Pelican Parts, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper and install Rennline's radiator protection grille screens.
First step is to pop the front so we can get to the top edge of the bumper. We need to remove these 4 quarter lock fasteners that hold this trim panel in place. The trim panel is pretty flexible, but requires some finessing to clear the hood latch. Once this is out of the way, we can remove the 2 Phillips head screws that hold down the leading edge. There are 2 screws hiding under the side markers that hold the bumper to the fender brackets. Removing the light is simple. From the front edge, push towards the rear of the car and swivel the light out. Press down on the spring clip of the connector and remove the light completely. To protect the paint on the bumper and the fender, grab some masking tape and put a strip across the fender and another across the edge of the bumper. Grab your caulking gun to fill in the gap between the bumper and fender for an extra internet points. Wait, what? Wrong project. Sorry, too much Coca-Cola and cigarettes today. Now with the lights removed, we can get our Phillips screwdriver and remove these 2 screws to free the corners of the bumper. The first one is right up front. The second screw is hidden behind the fender well. We need to remove 2 clips and peel that back so we can access the screw. A plastic trim tool with a split in the middle works great to remove these push pins most of the time. The second one required something a little less flexible that had more leverage. So we grabbed some long handle needle nose pliers for that pesky little thing. Now you should see something like this. The underside of the bumper has 7 fasteners, where there's supposed to be 7 fasteners there. Our Boxster is missing some of the hardware. There should be 2 Phillips screws on each corner of the bumper, and then 3 T30 Torx across the center of the bumper.
Now that all the hardware's out, we can pull the bumper straight off. I've got a bumper stand here so that we can catch the bumper and unplug anything we need, and then see what's hiding in the radiator shrouds. Grab each end. This should pop out. All right, we're free. You can see Porsche made a nice little pocket for all kinds of stuff to fit in here. We've got leaves, a piece of a device. That's crazy. And if it's big and heavy enough, it's gonna definitely destroy the radiators and the AC condenser here. You can already see there's some junk in like a wet spot. That's not good. So what I recommend you do is take out these 4 T20 screws, take this shroud completely off, clean it all out, clean this with like foaming glass cleaner, or you could even get like condenser coil cleaner. It comes in an aerosol can. That stuff's pretty handy, so it'll spray in and expand and then just blow them out with air. Then we'll get the Rennline grill screens on our bumper and put the bumper back on.
Parts to remove the AC condensers. They're held to the radiator bracket with these two 8mm self-tapping screws. After I got out what I could with the vacuum, I sprayed foaming glass cleaner on the condensers and radiator and blew out the cooling fins with compressed air. Now we can install radiator grill screens from Rennline before the bumper goes back on. Installation is simple. All the included self-tapping hardware is provided with the kit. So essentially you just lay the grill over everything on the back of the bumper and fasten it down. You can drill pilot holes if you'd like, but the plastic of the retaining frame is soft enough to where you can screw the hardware through it without much effort. Back on with the bumper. Carefully line the bumper up and make sure to put the ambient temp sensor through the bumper grill. Clone yourself or grab a buddy. 4 hands are better than 2.
Now that you have the confidence to take your bumper on and off, head over to pelicanparts.com and dive right in. We've got any part or tech article you'll need to work on your Porsche.